Hey, hello everybody. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It's a gorgeous day in the eastern United States today, and I hope it's beautiful wherever you're at. If you like the rain, the snow, whatever you like, I hope it's doing it for you today. But we are up 2.5% on STX as I make this video. We are at $1.1723, and we had a high of $1.26 today. This is STX on the 4 hour. You can see the shaded in area up here was the price targets we put there, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. We have hit them targets, and now we're trying to see what's going to happen here next. And I'm going to dig into that. I have a pretty exciting a couple things to show you here. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do. We would love to have you here. To be entered for the 100 ADA, that's Cardano token giveaway at the end of the month, all you have to do is be a subscriber of the channel. Going to do a giveaway the last day of every month, give away some crypto every month, so please hit that subscribe button. But here on Coin Codex, I came across this earlier when I was reading some STX articles. They have on here, and this is up to date, this is from today, the current price, $1.18. 52 when they put this article out. I'm not sure what time they did, but price prediction, they have this thing going up 95% over the next 5 days. The Fear and Greed Index on STX, 63 agreed, sentiments bullish. Green days, it's had 18 out of 30 green days. That's pretty awesome. 14-day RSI is at 70.14. Volatility is at 25.85. But they have the price predictions here on Coin Codex, which Coin Codex is massive in the crypto market. I mean, you look up Coin Codex once, you'll see they have a lot of influence in this market. So you can see they have here for stacks predictions for years 2023, 2024, 2025 based on tech growth. So 2024, they have a maximum price on there. It says actually a buy, a strong buy, and a buy. 2024, they have a maximum price of $2.35. 2025, they have a $5.22, and on 2026, they have $11.59. So they are super bullish on STX, and I totally agree with that. I don't see why anybody wouldn't be right now. I think the market is in a bull leg. I'm not saying a bull run, but they're even predicting that over a month this thing's going to have a $2.52 increase, and over 1 year up to $6.52. So they are very bullish on the STX on here, which is awesome. If you want to go there and they have their stacks price forecast based on technical analysis, bullish 87%. Absolutely agree with that. Everything's pointing towards that. That golden cross I went over with you guys earlier this week, and just the sentiment of the market right now is flipping around. So I thought you'd be pretty excited to see that. Pretty neat. If you want to go on Coin Codex and look at the rest of that, go right ahead. But U.S. banking cutoff presents opportunities for crypto in Europe. After Signature Bank and Silvergate were shut down there, they were the two biggest crypto banks in the United States. So that was a little bit of a blow to the market here. Europe has regularity over there. They have crypto regularity, and that's what we're looking for in the United States. They have clarity over there, I should say. I apologize. And they have a thing called MiCA, which stands for the Markets and Crypto Assets Act. Paints a stark contrast to the ambiguity in the United States, where firms face new regulatory headwinds seemingly every day. This creates an increasingly challenging environment for the operations of any crypto organization. For new and existing market entrants, this is going to be a significant consideration. Europe is absolutely a beautiful place, and I have nothing against that. I would just hate to see companies that have their roots already set, pack up and leave the United States. That'd be a shame. I know Ripple has talked about it, and as soon as they got sued by the SEC, they talked about moving to Europe. And be a shame to see any company have to do that. So hopefully the United States gets the clarity they need, and we can move on with this crypto in the U.S. The Fear and Greed Index for the total, all of crypto, the market cap is at $1,225 billion, up 2.26%. Volume over 24 hours is down 7.72%. Now the volume was up 70-some% yesterday, so a lot of volume yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.69%, and the overall market sentiment on the crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 63, which is in greed. Here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers. You can see your biggest gainers in the middle there. Biggest losers are on the right, pretty much single digits, and your trending coins are on the left. FTX up top, Bitcoin number 2. And the biggest reason, folks, I want to just touch on this today. So I cover Bitcoin because Bitcoin leads this market. When Bitcoin is in a bull run, in a bull market, that brings buyers in the market, and the money trickles down to the altcoins, and then we can have our alt seasons. If there is no more Bitcoin, there is no more crypto market. It would be crushing. It would take so much money out of the market that it would have a hard time sustaining. I truly believe that. So root for Bitcoin. I mean, nothing wrong with that. Bitcoin, in fact, today is having a beautiful day. It's setting another higher high on the daily, and you can see that right up top there, right up here. And then price targets we put up there 4 or 5 days ago, and they shot right up to it. So they got right in there. We showed there was nothing but air, you know, and it just blew right up there. We got a higher high on the daily, so it's looking fantastic. And let's get to STX. We want to dig into this chart a little bit. Like I said, we're up 2.35% for the day. On the 4 hour, you can see we're following this trend line. Okay, we started the trend line as soon as we broke out of this downsloping resistance, and we've been following this thing right up. Now we're resting on it again up here. You can see if it extends it, and we moved up into the price targets that we put when this breakout happened. We put them price targets up there. It's moving up into them areas again. So let's put a Fibonacci on here and see what's going on. Which we're still right up in the breakout zone, you know. In my opinion, and please do your own research when it comes to investing. Don't listen to anybody else. Do your own research and talk to a financial advisor, or you know, only invest in something that you believe in and that you have looked into with your hard-earned money. So we made it up to this 1.236 extension on the fib. If we get up through this zone, I could see this heading up to the 1.618 yet next, which is at $1.47. The 4 hour RSI is reset at the bottom, which you want to see that. The 1 hour is up top. It's rolling over a little bit, but that 1 hour can stay up there a very long time. And the daily is also at the top, but I want to show you something. It doesn't matter if that thing's at the top. As you can see, our rally right here, let me move that. I apologize, folks. Let me move this over here. Okay, this rally right here didn't start until that RSI was the whole way at the top down there. Then this rally up started. So that daily RSI, I think the closer it gets to the top, the better. You know, Sunday evenings tend to be pretty decent for cryptocurrency, and a lot of price movement can happen Sunday evenings. So I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Please hit that subscribe button. We still have a lot of volume coming in down here at the bottom, which is great to see. We want to see that in this market. Please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every day. And thank you so very, very much for watching my video, guys. I so much appreciate it. Have a good night.